Hello, teacher. My economy news is manufacturing production in the country registers a contract of let's 8% in 2020. The National Department of Statistics released its Friday of the case indicator to determine the performance of the country's economy in 2020. Manufacturing production. According to the engine, this indicator last year recorded a negative variation of let's 8% compared to what they generated in 2019 when it stood at 1.4%. Mineral manufacturing of the basic iron mineral industry. Thank you, teacher.